That's why the last step we are going to study to complete meiosis is cytokinensis 2. Now, cytokinensis is same like cytokinensis 2 is same like cytokinensis 1. So let's study from cytokinensis 1, which is also the same process in 2. So same thing happens in case of cytokinensis 2 also. I'm repeating again. In case of animal cell, furrows are formed. In case of plant cell, cell plates are formed. In case of furrow, it is formed from periphery to center, and in case of plant cell, it is formed from center to periphery. So speaking of cytokinesis, it is same in mitosis as well as meiosis 1 and also in meiosis 2. So you don't need to worry, just study once what is cytokinesis and it is same throughout, whether it's any kind of cell division. Now we are going to study the next part. Here we complete it with meiosis process. Thank you very much.